Hi there, it's your money guy, Mwaka here, and today I'll be showing you how to send money using Remitly step by step. So I've been using Remitly for nearly 4 years, and I can say that it's one of the best money transfer services that you can use to send money abroad. Just last month, I made a transfer on Remitly, and you can see it is marked delivered. To get started, all what you need to do is to register your account using the first link in the description below. If you use that link, your first money transfer is going to be for free. You'll not be paying anything in fees. And on top of that, you are going to be getting up to $25 discount on your first transaction. That is just amazing. Just a disclaimer, you should know that this offer is limited to the first 20 people who are going to register their account using this link. So once you are here and you have chosen your country of residence here and the country where you are sending money to, then you just need to come and press on send over here. Then over here, you just need to sign up for an account, enter your email address, create a password, press on sign up. Remitly is going to send you an email, verify your email address. Once you have verified your email address, log in into your account. You need to fill out your profile, and if they require that you verify your account, you need to submit your ID, which can be your passport, national ID, or driving license to verify your account. It's very simple and straightforward. I'll not bother you like with those unnecessary details. So go ahead and register your account, verify your email address, verify your phone number, and also fill out your profile. Once you have done that, then you are good to go to make your first money transfer on Remitly. So let me go ahead and show you how to make your transfer. Once you have logged into your Remitly account, you'll be brought to the home page, this page. Over here, you'll be able to see like the country where you are sending money. So you can just come and press on send money to begin your money transfer, or rather you can just come below over here and come press on send money. And suppose that you want to change the country, you want to send money to a different country, then you just need to come and press over here. Then you can select any of this country. You can send money almost to any country using Remitly. So select the country in here where you are sending money, then come and press on send. So I'll be sending money to Turkey, so I'll just press on send over here. Over here, since you are sending money for the first time, you need to come and press on add new recipient. Over here, you just need to enter the amount of money you'll be sending. So I'll be just sending $18 to show you. You enter the amount in here. The fees usually range from $1 to $5, so depending on the payment method and the delivery method that you are going to be using. So you are going to see this one change once I select the payment method. So I've put 18, then I will come and press on continue. Then over here, Remitly offers two options. You can send an express transfer or economy. So if you are going for an express transfer, you need to pay with your debit card or credit card. And by paying with your debit card or credit card, it is a little bit more expensive, but the transaction is usually instant or within minutes. Then over here, this is one of the reasons why I love Remitly. It just gives you a lot of options like for you to send money. So sending money to Turkey, I can send money direct to a bank account, cash pickup, mobile money, or debit card. So there are just so many options. Suppose that maybe the person you are sending money doesn't have got a bank account, they can pick up the money in cash. If they have got mobile money, money will arrive within their mobile money, like within minutes or instantly. Or if they have got a debit card, you just need to enter their 16-digit debit card number and you'll be able to send money to them. So you can say that I'm sending money directly, I'll be sending money directly like to a bank account, and I'll be paying with the bank. The fees is only like $1.99, about $2, which is like very cheap. And if you are using the link below, your first transfer is going to be free, so you'll not be paying anything. So you need to select the payment method. For me, I'll be sending money directly to a bank account, so I'll select bank deposit. Over here, you just need to select like the bank where you'll be sending money to. Like the options here are going to differ from one country to another. If you are in Kenya, if you are sending money to Kenya, the options will be different. If you are sending money to India or the Philippines, like the options are going to be different depending on the banks that are operating in that country. So in Turkey, these are the popular ones. I'm going to select like Papara over here. Then all what I need to do is to enter my Papara bank account number. So depending on the country we are going to be sending to, you also need to do the same. You just need to enter your bank account like details. If you are sending to mobile money, you need to enter your mobile money wallet number. Or if it's cash pickup, then you need to enter the name of the city and the location where the person is going to be picking the money from. So it is simple and straightforward. I will go ahead and enter my account number in here and press continue. Then you need to enter the first name and last name of the person you are sending money to. Make sure that that is the same name that is registered with the bank account that you have entered like previous. You need to enter their phone number, but it is optional. We're skipping this one by pressing continue. Over here, you need to enter your information as the sender. So you'll be entering your address, the city, state, if you are in the USA where you're sending from, and also the zip code. After entering these details, just come and press on continue. You need to enter your mobile number, it's mandatory. Then over here, you need to choose your payment method. You need to come and add your bank account, like the account where you'll be sending money from. Or rather, you can just pay with your debit card or credit card, which is very easy and also very fast. Like the transaction will be processed like instantly. But of course, you'll be paying more money if you use your debit card or credit card. So for me, since there is no urgency, like in this money transfer, I'm just trying to show you, I'm going to make like a bank transfer. Let me just press this option so that I can show you. Over here, you'll be choosing whether to pay from your checking account or your savings account. Once you have selected, you just need to enter your routing number, the account number, also your name, like on your bank account, like the account where you're going to be sending money from. You need to enter these details. Once you have entered these details, then you just need to come and press on continue. Just need to go through the summary of the money transfer you're about to make. Check if everything is accurate. You have to check like the amount, the bank account where you are sending, check everything. If everything is okay, then you just need to come and press on send money, like to complete the money transfer. And once you press send money, World Remitly is going to provide you with a bank account where you need to send money to, and you'll be sending from the account that you registered like on World Remitly when making the transfer. So send money to that account, the World Remitly is going to process this transaction and send money to the person you're sending money to. It is as simple as that. And you'll be able to follow up with your money transfer by just coming to your transfer history. So you can see like the transaction we just made, it is over here. When you press on it, you'll be able to see the status. It is in progress. Like that's the money we sent. That's the money we're going to receive. And yeah, you just need to wait until like the transfer like has been made to your account. So this is how you send money using Remitly. You have seen that it is very easy and straightforward and also very cheap. Moreover, if you are making the money transfer for the first time, your first transaction is going to be for free, and you can get up to $25 like in discount. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and create your account using the link below to make your first money transfer. Thank you very much for watching all the way up to this time. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.